So today it's quadratic equations and graphs. There are three versions of a quadratic equation. The first version is the standard version, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. You can also have a factorised version, y equals x plus e x plus f, and there's also the completed square version, y equals x minus g all squared plus h. So looking first of all at y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, the key thing that links to the graph is this value here, and that will tell you where it cuts the y-axis. So it will cut the graph at the point 0, c. If you're looking at the factorised version, it tells you where it cuts the x-axis, and it will cut the x-axis at the 2 points minus e, 0, and minus f, 0. The completed square form tells you about the minimum value. We'll come back to that bit later. Let's look first of all then at a graph with particular values such as y equals x squared plus 5x minus 6. So the first point we can record is looking at this point here, so we know that it cuts the graph at x is 0 and y is minus 6. We can then factorise this, and we can say it's equal to x and x, a 6 and a 1. To get the plus 5 in the middle, we need it to be plus 6 minus 1. And from that, we can say that it cuts the graph when x is 1 and when x is minus 6. So the coordinates are 1, 0, and minus 6, 0. Let's put those on a graph. So if we put those on the graph, we draw our axes. We know that it cuts, first of all, at 1, 0 and minus 6, 0. So that's roughly here. So this will be 1, 0, and this will be minus 6, 0. And then we can finally put on the point that we had here, which is where it cuts the y-axis, which is 0, minus 6. So we label this point here as 0, minus 6. You will be expected to be able to show any points on a quadratic graph where it cuts the axes. So this is key learning that you need to know.